What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Evil Genius 2 World Domination on your PC. So, if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Now, the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and search for the game Evil Genius 2 World Domination. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is quite expensive, €39.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this web page. Now search for the same game Evil Genius 2 World Domination. After that select games on the left side. Then we need to sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €3.53 instead of €39.99. So this is a big discount and you will save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. So what you need to watch is this text. This needs to be marked green, and once you have found one you can select it. Now, if you purchase this game, you will receive a Steam activation key. So with that key, you can activate the game through Steam and download it on Steam, but much cheaper. It is completely legit. So once you have purchased the game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including the activation key. And then you are able to download and play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!